you can copy this location if you have a script that will teleport you right over here. So just copy the coordinates. So as you can see, we changed the texture for this billboard. Next thing is to actually change for the LOD. To better understand what's going on is to move away from it. As you can see, there is a different texture being displayed when you're further away from the geometry. So let's take the model for the LOD and change the texture for that. If you want to open the folder where you move it from on your stream folder right here, I don't know why it changes location, but it is what it is. So this is where the HD it's supposed to be 53 meters away, and after 53 meters the game will display a different piece of geometry. The name of that geometry, you can get it from here. So this is going to be misleading. The 101 underscore LOD, if you search for that one, you're not going to find it, and I'll show you why. So this one, it's in YDD, and the Y map takes the name from inside the YDD, which means if you search for it, you're not gonna find it. But if you go to selection and go to archetype, first we have to check if the texture dictionary has what we need as an image. But to go back to what we talked about, the asset name that you're looking for is called, it ends with underscore for underscore children. If you copy that name, I'm only telling you this one, this thing is because most likely you're gonna be one to change textures on a completely different piece of geometry. Is not gonna be, that's all you're gonna do. What you're gonna be seeing on this tutorial. So I'm telling you how to find the piece of geometry you're looking for, just in case it's embedded and doesn't have a dictionary. So we copy that name, and we're searching for that for that specific name, and you can find it in here. If you open it, everything but the first one is going to be unchecked, so you have to check it. So uncheck the first one because we know it is not this one. Most likely it's going to be the billboard right here. Okay, let me make the other ones visible too, so I can tell what I'm selecting right here. Yeah, be aware it's going to be hard to find. If the main geometry that's next to those is large, like the terrain, it's going to be hard to find the one you're interested in. And we have the LOD right here. So if you uncheck everything else, you will see this is the other piece of geometry that has the new texture on it. But this is not embedded. This is in a dictionary, which means we need to work with a different file. And that file, you can find it from texture dictionary and cs4 underscore 13 underscore LOD. So we're going to be exporting that instead of the geometry itself. We're working with YTD, not with YDDs. So this isn't YDD, it's drawable dictionary, and this is YTD, it's texture dictionary. So if you open that, you will see we're lucky. The first one, it's exactly what we're looking for. So right click, export XML, get a folder where to extract it to, then this is the one we modified, so we're going to be deleting it. We do not need it anymore. So we'll access the folder where the dictionary was extracted and go through all the files, see exactly which one we need to modify. So the bills underscore foreclosure billboard is the one we want to modify to convert from DDS to PNG. So press B, billboard foreclosure, this one, Control C, Control V, drag and drop into the PNG .bat, then delete the DDS because it's not the one that we want to modify. It's a DDS, it's not a PNG. Right click, open with paint, and we gonna once again completely destroy it. Like so. Save, close, double check that you actually changed it. Take the PNG and drag drop into the bc1.bat to DDS. So we're converting back to DDS. Then select the PNG, delete it. We do not need it anymore. Control X the DDS, Control X, Control V into the same folder where the original came from. Control V, replace. Go one folder up to see where the XML is. Oopsie, I almost fucked up my game files. Select the RPF and drag and drop it in there. Now we now have the new YTD texture dictionary with the image that we wanted to change. So all you have to do, drag and drop into the stream folder next to the YDR. So the YTD has the multiple textures, which is a dictionary, and YDR has the image that's embedded. Restart your server. Let me do that on a different window in here. Where are you? Come on. Restarting the server right now. Okay, once your server is restarted, just start your FiveM again. And go to the same location. We're gonna get the location from markers. So if we get close to the banner, we will see the embedded texture. If we move further away from it, we're going to be seeing the LOD. To double check, so right now it doesn't matter how far away we are from the banner. We looks like we have one other level. I thought that's gonna disappear, but looks like we have a new level. Okay, let me start a new video, and we will change the second LOD images, and we're gonna make it all red. So even when we further away from it, it's the texture for it is gonna be changed. See you on the next one.